So we've covered our jabs, our crosses. Now we're going to add them both together. Alright? We're going to do a jab cross. So from here, this is a basic 1-2 combination. Very first punch you ever learn in a normal martial arts class, which you're going to learn it here as well. Okay, so from here, we're going to get into our fighting stance again. Nice and loose here. So we're going to get into our fighting stance here and add both our strikes together. So jab and cross. Alright, so we'll do it on my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Okay, now from the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Alright, jab crosses. Alright, so now we're going to combine all our things we've just learned together. And the first combination we're going to be doing is a jab, cross, hook. Okay? This is going to be done from stationary. We're not going to add any footwork in just yet. We're going to add that next. Okay, so from here, in our fighting stance, nice good fighting stance. And from here we're going to go jab, cross, hook. Easy. So 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swapping sides. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So jab, cross, hook from that direction. Now we're going to do it from this direction so you can see what I'm doing with my legs. So from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First one out of the way. Jab, cross, hook. Big. So here, our fighting stance once more. Take a half step forward, feet turning 45, hands are coming up. From here, we're going to jab off the front hand. We're not going to add any movement in yet. So we're going to do off the front hand. 1, 2, 3. This time, you're in a perfect position. Come through with that hook. Got plenty of power generation to come through and up. And do a little bit of that knockout shot. Okay, it's classic combination. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 4. This is where it gets the heart pumping. This is where you get the hard work in. Okay, from here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Okay, swapping on the other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, beautiful. Now we're going to do from side on view. So from here, again, jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Alright? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please check the others in this series and please like and subscribe to support our channel. See you in the next one.